I'm a fat fuck! Fuck! I'm a fat fuck. When we have unpleasant thoughts, the concept of fusion often occurs. Now, with fusion, emotions, feelings, body sensations, and even memories can fuse with unpleasant thoughts. And then we take them to be truth. We take them to be facts. And that is not always the case. In acceptance commitment therapy, there's this idea of diffusion, or as I like to call it, diffusion. Now, the idea behind diffusion is that we take the power away from those unpleasant thoughts. We diffuse them from the emotions, feelings, and body sensations and memories that are fused with that unpleasant thoughts. That is the ultimate goal. And there are different techniques that we can try to do this. I'm just going to give you just a few in this video. The first one we're going to talk about is I'm having the thought that. That's it. You just put I'm having the thought that in front of your unpleasant thoughts, and hopefully that alone will take some power away from the unpleasant thought. This is the simplest form of diffusion that you can do. I'm having the thought that I'm a fat fuck. And if that's enough for you, great. If not, we can move on to different techniques, such as replacement and renaming. This is one of my favorites. You basically just take the core of the unpleasant thoughts and you replace it or rename it with something else. We take I'm a fat fuck. Let's insert banana in there instead. So it turns out to be I'm a banana. I'm a banana. And just simply adding I'm a banana alone makes me laugh. And I picture myself as a banana, and it's like so silly and might be enough to diffuse from those unpleasant thoughts and feelings and emotions and memories. Another diffusion technique we can try is one of my favorites, musical thoughts. We take I'm a fat fuck and we make it I'm a fat fuck, yeah. Instead, you can take that unpleasant thought and sing it to a song that you know or a tune that you remember. For example, let's take WAP for example. From the top, make it drop, I'm a fat fuck. From the top, make it drop, I'm a fat fuck. And you just make it silly, and your goal here is to remember your goal here is to diffuse those strong emotions and feelings and from the unpleasant thought. So make it as silly as possible and own it. And just own it. And speaking of owning it, let's go straight to one of my other favorites, silly voices. I'm a fat fuck. That was my bad, man. I don't know if you got that. Yeah, okay. So that's Batman. Or you can go, one of my favorites to do is I am a fat fuck. Oh my god, I'm annoying myself. Ooh, sorry about that. Yeah, let's move on. So that's silly voices. Moving on to a different diffusion technique that we can try is thanking your mind. Oh, thank you, mind. Thank you for pointing that out to me. You're so informative. Oh my goodness, thank you for that information. I will use that. Thank you very much. Okay. So that's thanking your mind. I added a little extra spice to it, so there's that. And finally, the last diffusion technique we're going to be talking about today is naming your stories. So basically, naming your story is simply, okay, here we go again. Here's the fat fuck story. I see where you're coming from, mind. I see where you're coming from. Oh, you little fat fuck. Thank you for checking out this video, and hopefully these techniques will help you in your life when you have unpleasant thoughts. And as with anything, it takes daily practice in order to master it. And as I like to say, you must practice daily practice. Please check out our website at dnasupportgroup.com. In case you haven't figured it out, DNA stands for depression and anxiety. On the website, you will find a one-stop shop for everything that we offer. Things like Zoom support group meetings, DNA live streams on Twitch, YouTube and TikTok videos, Twitter, Discord, and Instagram. Thank you for your time. Good luck out there. And remember, if your life is in disarray, check out DNA. Take care.